Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to create your Soundcloud account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type soundcloud.com and hit on enter right now. This right here is the homepage of SoundCloud. Do note that you can simply scroll down to look at all the features provided, but right now what we want to do is simply create an account. At the top right, next to sign in, you'll see something like create account. Click on the button right here. Then this will pop up. It's gonna give you a few options, whether you can sign up using Facebook, Google, your Apple ID, or simply your email address. You can select whichever one you wish. For now, I'm gonna go with Google. I'm gonna click on the option right here. Then this will pop up. It's gonna prompt you to select the account of your choice. I'm gonna select this one right here and give my confirmation. Simply hit on continue. Once that has been processed, something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few choices, that is to choose your display name, enter your age and gender. I'm simply gonna enter it right now. Once everything's okay, simply hit on continue. And guys, that's it. As you can see, your SoundCloud account has been created. Creating an account is as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.